Muhuri biashara Joseph Kairu wa Boi uria uikaine ta Kairu niarikia guikio ngono ni borithi mwena wa Kasarani. Kairu arathitangwo na kurihwo arehere kana mundu uretwo murimi Gari kuma nja wa bururi no ndarehire. Gari ino ni Range Rover ya ciringi mirioni 26. Kairu riu agirirwo ni borithi ya kiwira-ini mwena wa Ridgeways na atwarwo icicini cia DCI. Wakiri wake ni ekuhoete maheo rutha maiguithanie na murimi akiugaga ni gathire ga ciringi mirioni 6 aremetwo kuriha Mwendia gatumite age gukinyia Gari guku bururi-ini. Kairu arerikana no athitangitwo na ihetia tariri mwena wa Nairobi area. Gilgil arathitangwo ni kuoya mbeca ari na itanya ria gutunyana etagwo obtaining with false pretenses. Nikimwona kinini muno makiria kiragikoragwo gitacokia makinya maingi muno mbere gitagwo Khalif Kairu thaici kiragituka ni kiragikorwo gigikinyo kuria mwena wa DCI gigithitangirwo ati ni gukorwo kioete mirioni 26 kuria kirari kirehe Gari ya Range Rover no gitire kirarehe na mwena wake Kairu akakorwo mena wakiri wake magikorwo magitariria ati mundu ugwetwo murimi ndarihete ciringi mirioni 3 nigetha Gari igakorwo igikinyio guku bururi-ini. Akenya mwena wa comment section makorwo makiugo hena Joki Mwaniki akoga it's well you shall overcome and Swithan Kamonyo akoga may he get through this. These are moment any businessman pray not to come, but when they come they test out ability to rise. May he rise again. And Joroge Gati to akoga I hope he'll be able to get to his feet though the damage he has caused himself is massive. He has tainted his image, but I love the guy, wish I can loan him the amount. And I Rastas KE akoga somebody is behind this young man handship at his age. Sio watu wengi had achieved what he has achieved, he shall overcome it. And John Mwangi akoga tamaka ona tibesa nyingi icio. Na Rex wa Jamii Bishuri akauga may our God Lord see him through, many business are really struggling. Na Hilngasha kwa mudruene wa Makua na Marioka he will rise again. Na Nicholas Maina akauga as a business person I pray that he overcome this. It's a stage that every business person has to pass through it happens. Na Lizi Junior akauga poverty is the common enemy, may he get through this. Na Mwagi Irogo akawa he'll overcome. Na Vanessa Wairimo Njoroge akawa huyu mambo yake iliharibika the moment he started being a socialite instead of a business woman. Na okay, you will rise up again. You have already achieved what many will not be able to achieve in their entire lifetime. And Pamela Masi akawa nothing is permanent, these two shall pass. And Kuiruo akawa it happened for those in business. Hapa kujinasua ni haraka sana kijana. Na Chombajo akawa atatoboa tu, wanaume hupitia mengi. Na Winnie Charles akawa will overcome and come back stronger G. Na Titus Track akawa will rise again. Kairu players first bro. Na Wakada Africa kawa hau neho andu aka na mwithonoro sikinyagia mundurume nierwo mbeca nyingi citire hinegene sikiraga ki na yake sikiraga ki yake uanganisho of tupo. Na Karo Mwangi akawa vile alikuwa amepea wanaume pressure ya pesa. Na Esther Maina akawa andu ni ageria agikorwo ni nginya ngiri igire ningigua hire hinya mundu gukorwo ngimunengera itonete kiria agikorwo akinyandikira kana kiria agikorwo akinyenderia. I think as far as finances are concerned I have trust issues. Na Honorable Paul Muriuki agikorwo akiugo I thought he was a billionaire and such money is a peanut to him. I hate fake lies by the way. He has lost trust. And a Scholar Wine Collections akawa it's well business are collapsing daily. May God see you through. And Jose Moisline akawa uyo hana Bishop Yoge ukoragwo runda minyonyo ya wana. And Rosafi akawa it happened in his business misunderstanding occurs. And Beth Wanja akawa kumbe si mimi tu niko na madeni. And Skuri ya moho akiategwetigira aikoroho akiuga mwanaume ni deni heri yeye anakazana na biashara zake. Na Immaculate Muriu akawarekei akome sero kiudu kiu gia kumisi sero kimuthire. Na Karifule Gambla akawa no gathire o kanini ni ndeto turaikorwo tukimurika ya mundu gwitwo Khalif Kairu uria akoragwo mwendia wa ngari guku bururi-ini wa Kenya kuria agithitangitwo ni mundu ugwitwo murimi na gukorwo eti ni amukorirwo akimunengera mbeca ciringi milioni 26 akorwo akimurehera ngari muthemba wa Range Rover guku bururi-ini wa Kenya kuria atagikorwo akimirehe ni ndeto tugukorwo tukirumanirira nayo na ngumenyithia ati wathie mwena uria wa YouTube ukoge subscribe ukoge turn notification bell on nigetha tugikorwo tugikinya rimwe mbere mwena wa TikTok wagiko ugito follow wagiko ki forward kana uki share video citu no wagiko uki kinyaga plus button wagiko we follow witu nginya muthenya ungi ni njetagwo Mwangi wa mohoro.